Hello guys, we are the Group 1. Today, we're gonna show you how to improve your reading skills and become a good reader in order to understand the meaning of the reading passage and to improve also your learning and speaking abilities. Let's focus on reading comprehension. Identifying cause and effect. Cause and effect shows how facts or events are related to each other. Cause are events that occur in the first place, while the effect are the results of what happened from the cause. Example: in recent decades, the Earth's ozone layer is thinning to 30% because of the uncontrollable use of CFCs in aircons. From the example, to be able to find the cause, you must find on where the events came from. In example, the cause is uncontrollable use of CFCs in aircons. To find the effect, you must find what is the result. So the result is the Earth's ozone layer is thinning 30%. In identifying cause and effects, the words to be searched are because, however, and etc.
Identifying fact and opinion. Before we can identify fact and opinion, we must first know what is the difference between them. What is fact? Facts are information that are true and verified from other sources. What is opinion? Opinions, on the contrary, are beliefs or personal views of a person in a certain topic. To understand it further, here are some examples. Identify which is a fact and opinion. First example. Millions of bones and other evidence of past life have been unearthed by scientists, and these are called fossils. Second example. Darwin's theory of evolution is seemingly not reliable. In the first example, it is a fact. We all know that it is scientifically proven, and obviously, the second example is an opinion. It is also based on its definition.
Making inferences, usually informations are not clearly stated, but is implied by the context. The meaning of passages are very hideous in pocketbooks, novels, autobiographies, and poetries. Example: the author said, "He is hiding many skeletons in the closet." If you mean it literally, you will make wrong understanding. But if you will dig deeper, the meaning of the skeletons in the closet is controversial secrets. Usually, making inference is a very tricky task for a reader. In order to accomplish this task, you must read the passage many times and look for the keywords or idiomatic expressions to acquire the meaning of the passage correctly. In comparing and contrasting, comparing shows the similarities of both words when using words of like, similarly, just as, and etc. While contrasting focuses on differentiating two words from each other when using words like however, while, in other hand, etc. Example 1. Diego is playing basketball while Anna is cleaning the backyard. Example 2. Heart is like a vase. When it falls, it will immediately break when it's not fetched. In example 1, you will notice that the sentence uses the word while, so the sentence shows a contrast. In the second example, the sentence uses a word like, so the sentence shows comparison.
Now, I'm going to discuss about sequencing. To understand and follow a passage well, the reader needs to know the order in which things happen. Examples of words which indicate sequence are first, then, finally, and last. For example, in doing the recipe, there are sequence and orders to follow for you to get the perfect recipe.
Drawing conclusion. In order to know if the reader understands the whole passage, he or she can make inferences or insights and summary of the text. The example of this method are synopses from the movie, book reviews, summarized stories, and etc. Through these skills, readers can easily acquire knowledge and they can express our ideas and opinions through discussion and writing. These are the evidences that the reader understands the text they are reading. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.
Created using Powtoon.